In this video, I am going to show you how to get 5 million Hamster Kombat Coins, or let's say points. Alright, so in my previous video, I showed you the whole process. In this video, I am going to talk about today, which is 28th of May. So you have like 24 hours to use this combo. Alright, so I'm going to share the combo with you. So now all you have to do is you just have to come to the mind section. If you are new, just come to this section, then click on that. Alright, so the first combo we are going to talk about, we are going to the special section. Alright, so let's go to the special section. Alright, so this combo that I'm going to show you, we used it in the previous combo that we did. Alright, so I'm going to click on the special section, and this is it. This is it. YouTube gold button. YouTube gold button. Alright, so all you have to do is just click on that, then click on join. And you will be taken to YouTube. Just wait for the YouTube channel to load. Yes, and then after that, go back and click on go ahead. And look at this. All right, so cool, first card is ready. Don't stop. So daily combo, let's click on that. So we are done with the YouTube gold button. So now let's go to the legal section, okay, which is this section. This section, right? So just have to click on that. All right, so let's see. It's not in the yeah, it's not there. Let's go to the PR and come to this section. Let's see the PR and the team. Just click on that. All right, so we have all the two here. So the first one we are going to look for is the influencers. So scroll down and you should be seeing this. Okay, so yes, you should be seeing this. All right, the influencers, just click on it and click on go ahead, and that is the second combo, and that is it. So the second combo is assembled, just a little bit left, right? So click on that. So the next one is the TikTok combo, which is this one. So you can see that my own is locked, right? So I'm going to show you how to do it if yours is locked. So if your own is locked, check the next one. The next one is this one, okay, the previous one rather, and it is Hamstergram. But when you check at this section, you can see Hamstergram. We need a certain level of Hamstergram before we can get the TikTok combo. So when you check here, you can see we have Hamstergram level 3. So you need to reach this level 3, okay, in order to get the TikTok. But before we can get Hamstergram 2, we need to get to Hamster YouTube level 8. And what this is Hamster YouTube level 8, right? And I am in level 5. So that means Hamstergram has not been opened and TikTok is not going to be open. You understand? So what I'm going to do is I am going to click on the hamster tube, okay, 3 more times to get to level 8. Okay, so when I get to level 8, the Hamstergram will open. Then I have to purchase Hamstergram 3 times, and this TikTok will also open, and that is all. So just click on YouTube, then go ahead. Hamster tube, sorry, go ahead. So that's at level 6. Let me click on once again, go ahead. Level 7, let me click once again, go ahead, and you can see the Hamstergram has opened. Look at this, it has what? Opened. So just click on that, go ahead. We need 3 of it, okay, we need 3 of it, okay, which is this one. We need Hamstergram 3 level, okay, the 3rd level. So let's still click on it, go ahead, and we are in level 2. So let's click last more, go ahead. All right, so you can see that the TikTok has opened. Just click on that and click on go ahead, and that's all. Yes, so as you can see, yeah, the combo is complete. You are doing great. So 5 million, take the price, and that is it. So when I go to my exchange, you can see I have 42 million now. Let me just start for once. So this is it. So if you want the combo every day, please subscribe to this YouTube channel, and also check the description and my first comment. You are going to see my Telegram channel, right? Join the Telegram channel because I'll be posting the combo even before I create the videos. All right, so thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next videos. Goodbye.